Wonder how to get started with your new BMW Panoramic iDrive, set up and personalize your new BMW? The good thing is, when you first get in, the system guides you through the first steps anyway. There's even the possibility to start the setup before you even get your new BMW, in the pre-delivery mode of the My BMW app. So when you're in the car, either you've added your BMW ID to the vehicle as part of setting up your BMW Digital Key with the setup card. Watch our other how-to video to see how easy that is. Or you log in by simply scanning the QR code and following the steps on the smartphone. Done. Now you have your personal profile in your vehicle. To enjoy the full connected experience with your BMW, like most My BMW app features, and to use all personalized functions like proactive suggestions from the navigation system, you have to activate all permissions on the data privacy page. Of course, you can always go back to the data privacy menu to renew your settings. Next, you can set up your BMW intelligent personal assistant. Trust me, you want to benefit from its enhanced functionalities for voice control and even more useful suggestions and routines. And it has an enhanced visualization. Then, if you haven't done it already, you can activate your BMW Digital Key Plus and link it to your BMW ID. This is especially important as the digital one is now your primary vehicle key. The activation is also just another QR code scan away, and your ID is linked automatically in the process. So in the future, when you open your car with the digital key, your personal settings are automatically recognized. Pretty convenient, huh? Now, you linked your BMW ID and your My BMW app to the vehicle, but not yet your smartphone itself to access your telephone functions. So, Bluetooth connection is next. Just as you're used to, activate the vehicle's Bluetooth, and on your device, of course, tap the name that's shown on the central display, compare number codes, and allow connection. Almost done. Now you have set up all basic functions of this vehicle, and you can explore more about its features with the upcoming tutorials. Don't forget to adjust your favorite personal settings to make your driving experience very much your own, like your seat and personal climate settings, your favorite settings for comfort access, the welcome orchestration, and your settings for My Mode Personal. Also, add your most used phone contacts, navigation destinations, or, for example, a certain function of the driver assistance systems as shortcuts to the tool belt. And now you're ready to go. Press the brake, shift to driver reverse, and enjoy the ride. Oh, and get the most out of your BMW by watching more of our how-to videos.
I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?